Hey, good morning students. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine in your home and doing well. So today I am coming back with the exercise of complex number. In my last Google Meet and in my last video lecture we have discussed about complex number. ठीक है, what are complex number, what is the need of complex number and their modulus, their conjugate, their algebra of complex number. We have almost discussed the theoretical part, the conceptual parts. So now it's time to apply our concept in questions. So let's start with the very first exercise of complex number, which is exercise 5.1. So the very first question is exercise 5.1, and the very first question is express each of the following complex number given in the exercise 1 to 10 in the form of a plus ib. What we have to do here, we have to express the given complex number, ठीक है, given complex number in the form of a plus ib. Okay, as I told you earlier, this is the standard form of complex number where a and b are the real numbers, ठीक है, and a is indicating the real parts and b is indicating the imaginary parts, because b is containing iota, that's why b is indicating the imaginary part and a is indicating the complex part. Okay, so the very first question is 5i minus 3 upon 5i and minus 3 upon 5 time I. Here I is denoting the iota, and I already told you the value of iota is root of minus 1, and the value of I square is equal to minus 1, and the value of I cube is equal to the value of I cube is equal to minus of I, the value of I raised to the power 4 is equal to plus 1. These four values of iota you must have within your mind while solving these questions. Okay, so now multiply these two numbers, both of them are complex number. So on multiplying we will get 5 into minus 3 upon 5 time I into I, that is I square. This 5 and 5 will cancel out and we will get minus 3 time I square. Now see, the value of I square is minus 1. So on putting the value of I square minus 1, we get here minus 3 minus 1, that is plus 3. So your answer is plus 3, but we have to convert it in the form of a plus ib. So we can write it like 3 plus, since the imaginary part is 0 here, क्योंकि है ही नहीं वो चीज़, तो हम लिख सकते हैं इसको 3 plus 0 टाइम i. ठीक है, सो a प्लस आई बी का जो फॉर्मेट हमारा यहाँ बना वो क्या बन गया बच्चों, 3 plus 0 टाइम आयोटा. हेयर द रियल पार्ट इज ऑब्वियसली बात है 3 and the imaginary part is 0. Okay, I hope you get it. And see the next question, question number 2. We have given I to the power 9 plus iota to the power 19. Okay, so this is the question and we have to convert it in the form of a plus ib. So I will break it in the form of square, sorry, in the form of 4. ठीक है, because we know that iota to the power 4 gives you a unity. ठीक है, so we will try to break the exponent in the form of multiple of 4. ठीक है, so I to the power 4 into 2. ठीक है, 4 2 जा 8, one more is there, one more is left, so I can write it like that, plus in similar manner I raised to the power 19 can be broken as a form of as the multiple of 4, like I to the power 4 5 जा कितना होता है भाई 20 डिवाइड बाई i. ठीक है, मैं कर सकता हूँ ऐसा, ठीक है ना, 4 5 जा 20, सो I रेज टू द पावर 20 डिवाइड बाई I रेज टू द पावर 1, तो मुझे मिलेगा I रेज टू द पावर 19. ओके, नाउ सी I रेज टू द पावर 4 इज 1, सो 1 स्क्वायर इंटू I प्लस here I रेज टू द पावर 1 पावर 5 डिवाइड बाई I. So this will 1 square 1 into iota, that is iota, plus ये हो जाएगा भाई 1 upon I. Now see, on taking cross multiplication, this will be I into I, that is I square, है ना, I into I square plus 1 divide by I. Okay, and since as we know that the value of I square is minus of 1. Okay, so substitute the value of I square minus 1 here upon iota. So this will be 0 upon iota, this will gives you 0. सो द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मेट इज 0 प्लस आई 0. वैल्यू तो यही आ रही है इसकी. तो इस तरीके से इस क्वेश्चन को करेंगे. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग दीज पॉइंट्स. ओके, पॉज द वीडियो एंड टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट अबाउट इट. ओके, नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Okay, now the next question is question number 3. And the question number 3 is I raised to the power minus 39. The third question is I raised to the power minus 39. I raised to the power minus 39. So we can break it 1 upon I raised to the power 39 because our first priority is to make the exponent of iota positive. Now what can we do here? We have to change the exponent of iota in the multiple of 4. 4 के मल्टीपल में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. So I raised to the power 4. अब कितने टाइम होगा ये? 4 5 जा 20, 4 6 जा 24, 4 7 जा 28, 4 8 जा 32, 4 9 जा 36, 4 10 जा 40. So मैं क्या इसको ऐसे नहीं कर सकता? 4 10 जा 40 एंड यहाँ पे आयोटा का मल्टीप्लाई है ना. बात तो वही रही. आयोटा अपॉन आयोटा टू द पावर 40. एक एक्सपोनेंट कम हो जाएगा. एक आयोटा कम होगा तो मिलेगा तुम्हें यही. ठीक. नाउ सी iota into 1 iota upon iota raised to the power 4. We know that I raised to the power 4 is 1. So this will be 1 raised to the power 10. That is iota. So आपका जो फॉर्मेट बना वो क्या बनेगा? 0 plus I. ठीक है. 0 plus I means the real part is 0 and the coefficient of imaginary part is obvious सी बात है कितना है? 1. ठीक. Now see the next question number 4. So the question number 4 is we have given 3 times 7 plus I7. 3 times 7 plus 7i we can say. ठीक है. 7 plus 7i plus I time 7 plus 7i. So now multiply them. 3 7 are 21 plus 3 7 are 21i plus 7i. Okay, plus 7 time I square. Okay, so 21 plus 21i plus 7i how much? 28 time I. Okay, 21 plus 7 28 हो जाएगा. 28i plus 7 time. Now since we know that the value of iota square is minus 1, so this will become minus of 1. So 21 plus 28i plus minus 7. So 21 minus 7 since both are real plus 28 time I. So this will be 21 minus 7 कितना हो जाएगा भाई? 14 plus 28 I. ठीक है. ये आपका फॉर्मेट बन गया गाएगा भाई a प्लस आई बी का. इफ़ वी हैव टू find out the coefficient of real and imaginary part, then the real part coefficient is 14 and the coefficient of imaginary part will be 28. Okay. Now see the next question, which is question number 5. And question number 5 is 1 minus I minus 1 plus 6i. So this is the question. Now see 1 minus I, this will be minus plus 1 and this will again minus 6i. Now see plus 1, this will be plus 2. Minus I minus 6i, this is minus 7 time I. ठीक है. तो इसको हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं भाई? 2 plus minus 7 time आयोटा है ना. तो ये फॉर्मेट बन गया किसका? a plus ib का. Now see the real part. If we will compare both the complex number, then we'll get the real part is 2 and the imaginary part is minus of 7. Okay, pause the video and take the screenshot. Okay, now the next question is see the next question is question number 6. 1 upon 5 plus I time 2 upon 5 minus 4 plus I time 5 by 2. ठीक है भाई. And we have to express it in the form of a plus ib. So क्या करेंगे भाई? Real will be subtracted with real. Okay, 1 upon 5 minus 4 plus 2 upon 5 time I minus 5 upon 2 time I. Whenever we, as I told you, when we have discussed about the algebra of complex number, then I told you that whenever we are taking any operation between any two complex number, then the real part will be operated with the real and the imaginary will operated with the imaginary one. So 1 upon 5 minus 4, it will gives you 5 4s are 20, 1 minus 20, that is minus 19 upon 4. Okay, plus here we have to take the LCM and the LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. So 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4 time I minus 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10. So 5 5 is 25 time I. Okay. On taking LCM of 5 by 2, that is 10. 5 2 is 10, 2 2 is 4, minus 2 5 is 10, 5 5 is 25. So this will gives you minus 19 upon 5 plus 4i minus 25i. How much it will? 21i. माइनस का 21i, ठीक, डिवाइडेड बाई 10. सो ये हो जाएगा भाई माइनस अपॉन 19 अपॉन 5 प्लस माइनस माइनस 21 अपॉन 10 टाइम आई. एंड इफ़ यू मोर want to clear it, more simplification, तो ये हो जाएगा भाई माइनस 19 अपॉन 5 प्लस माइनस 21 अपॉन 10 टाइम आयोटा, है ना, a प्लस आई बी. ठीक. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 इज 1 अपॉन 3 प्लस 7 अपॉन 3 टाइम आयोटा, ओके, प्लस 4 प्लस आई टाइम 1 by 3, okay, minus 4 by 3 plus iota. So this is the question. Now again we will apply the real part will be operated with the real one and the imaginary will operated with the imaginary one. So first I am going to add these two complex numbers. So 1 upon 3 plus 4, okay, and imaginary will be plus I time, I taking common, I time 7 by 3 and here is 1 by 3, okay, and after that minus 4 upon 3 plus I. ठीक. So 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 that is 13 upon 3 plus 7 plus 1 8 upon 3 I. ठीक है, this is the first one. Now minus 4 by 3 plus iota. Now operate the condition. So real part here is 13 upon 3 and minus there will be plus 4 by 3. This is real part. Imaginary, take the iota common. So here the coefficient of iota is 8 upon 3. Minus plus is minus. So minus, since iota has been taken as a common, so the coefficient of iota is 1 here. So this will be 13 plus 4. कितना हो जाएगा भाई? 13 plus 4 is 17 upon 3 plus iota 3 1 जा 3, 8 minus 3 that is 5 upon 3, है ना. So 17 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3 time iota. So this is changed in the form of a plus iv. Okay, pause the video and take the screenshot of it. Okay students, now see the question number 8. Question number 8 is given as 1 plus iota to the power 1 minus iota raised to the power 4. Okay, 1 minus iota raised to the power 4. This is our question number 8. Now see, first we will split the power 4 as 1 minus I raised to the power 2 whole power 2. Okay, now as we know that a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So applying this formula within the bracket, we get 1 square that is 1 plus iota square that is iota square plus 2 time 1 into I. ठीक है, सॉरी माइनस 2 टाइम 1 into I, तो ये हो जाएगा भाई माइनस 2i होल ऑफ स्क्वायर. नाउ 1, as we know that the value of iota square is minus 1, so this will become minus 1. ठीक है, प्लस माइनस माइनस हो जाएगा, minus 2 टाइम iota होल स्क्वायर, this will be cancel out and you will get here minus 2i whole of square. This is 4 time I square. Again the value of I square is minus 1, so this will gives you minus of 4. So the standard format a plus ib will be minus 4 plus 0 टाइम iota. ठीक है, इस तरीके से कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. ठीक, आई बात समझ में. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. The question number 9 is 1 upon 3 plus 3i whole cube. Now since it is a question of the type a plus b whole cube, so a plus b whole cube, what is the formula for a plus b whole cube? A cube plus b cube plus 3 time a square b plus 3 time a b square. So now we are going to operate this formula here. So what we will get from here? What is a? 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 cube plus 3 time iota cube plus 3 times a square. What is a? A is 1 by 3, so 1 by 3 square, that is 1 by 9, into b, b is 3 times iota, plus 3 into a, that is 1 by 3, into b square means 3 times iota square, so we will get from here 9 times I square. Now simplify it, so this will gives you 1 upon 3 3 9 3 27, plus this will become 3 3 9 3 27 times iota cube, and here 3 3 9, so we will get from here only iota, okay, and from here 3 3 cancel out, so we will get from here 9 times iota square, okay. So this will be 1 upon 27 plus 27 times, what is the value of iota cube? We can split iota cube as iota square into iota, so iota square is minus 1 into iota, so this will gives you minus of iota, so this will be minus of iota plus iota, and this is iota square, the value of iota square is minus 1, so this will become 9 times minus of 1, so 1 upon 27, okay, minus 27 times iota, ठीक, plus iota, and this will become minus of 9. Now shifting real part with each other, ठीक है, taking real part together, so 1 upon 27 minus 9, minus 27 plus I, this will gives you minus 26 times iota. Now on simplifying this one, ठीक है, 1 minus 9 multiply 27, so 27 into 9, 9 7 जा 63, 6 carry, 9 2 जा 18, 18 plus 6 24, ठीक है, so 1 minus 243 upon 27 minus 26 times iota, तो answer is 1 minus 243, that is minus 242 upon 27, ठीक है, and minus 26 times iota, ठीक है, माइनस कॉमन ले लेना, यही आंसर आ जाएगा, ठीक. पॉज द वीडियो एंड टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ इट. So our next question is find the multiplicative inverse of the given complex number. So dear student, what we have to do in this particular question, we have to find out the multiplicative inverse of this given complex number. So as I told you in my last Google Meet, that if you have any complex number z, okay, then its multiplicative inverse will be 1 upon z. Why? Because if you are multiplying z with 1 upon z, then will we get 1, and we all know 1 is the identity element for the complex number in case of multiplicative operation, ठीक. So if you want if the question is asking us to find the multiplicative inverse of any complex number, it means that we have to find out the value of 1 upon z. So this is z, then obviously 1 upon z will be 1 upon 4 minus 3i. Okay, now see, if you are having complex number, if you are having any complex number or any imaginary term in the denominator, then what we have to do, we have to rationalize it, okay. So what we will do here, we will multiply in numerator and denominator by 4 plus 3i, okay, 4 plus 3i. So this will be 4 plus 3i upon 4 minus 3i multiply 4 plus 3i. Now see, in denominator you are getting a factor, है ना, you are getting a form of the type a plus b and a minus b, ठीक है. So a plus b, a minus b, what is the expression for it? A minus b, a plus b, this will become a square minus b square. So what is a here? A is 4, so 4 square minus, what is b? B is 3i, so 3i whole square. So this will gives you 4 plus 3i divided by 16 minus 9 times I square. Now see, the value of iota square is minus 1. So on substituting the value of I square minus 1, this will become plus, and this will gives you 4 plus 3i upon 16 plus 9, because the value of iota square is minus 1. So 1 upon z is equal to 4 plus 3i divided by 16 plus 9, that is 25. So this will be 4 upon 25 plus 3 upon 25 times iota, okay. So this is the multiplicative inverse of the given complex number. Pause the video and take the screenshot of it. Okay, see the next question now. I am taking one more question of the same kind. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to find out the multiplicative inverse, question number 12, of z is equal to root 5 plus 3 time iota, and we have to find out the multiplicative inverse of root 5 plus 3i. So as we know that 1 upon z is the multiplicative inverse of z. Okay, so 1 upon z will be 1 upon root 5 plus 3 time iota. Now again, since a complex number is there within the denominator, so we have to rationalize it. So we have to multiply it by root 5 minus 3i in numerator and denominator as well. Root 5 minus 3i. So this will be root 5 minus 3i. In denominator, you are getting again an expression of the kind a plus b, a minus b. As we know that a plus b, a minus b are the factor of a square minus b square. So again we are applying this in denominator. So a is root 5, so square of root 5 minus b is 3i, so square of 3i. So this will gives you root 5 minus 3 time iota upon root 5 square, that is 5 minus 3 is 9 time iota square. Now substituting the value of iota square, what we get here from here, we will get root 5 minus 3i divided by 5 plus 9, and 9 plus 5 is 14. So root 5 minus 3 time iota upon 14. So we can write it like on, expressing, we have to express it in the form of a plus ib. So we have to divide 14, okay, separately. So this will become root 5 upon 14 minus 3 upon 14 time iota. Okay, so this will be the multiplicative inverse of the given complex number z is equal to root 5 plus 3i. Okay, pause the video and take the screenshot. Now see the third part you will do by your own. Okay, now I am doing the last question of this exercise. Okay, and the question is, express the following expression in the form of a plus ib, and the question, the form is given as 3 plus root 5 time iota, 3 minus root 5 time iota divided by 3 plus root 2 time iota minus root 3, this is root 3, okay, root 3 plus root 2 time iota minus root 3 minus root 2 time iota. So this is the expression which we have given here, and what we have to do beta, we have to express it, in the form of a plus ib, in the form of a plus iota b. ठीक है, हमें इस फॉर्म में इसको चेंज करना है. So first what I am saying, saying in the numerator, this is an expression of the kind a plus b, a minus b. ठीक है, so a plus b, a minus b are the factor of expression a square minus b square. So we can rewrite it like a square, it means 3 square, minus b square, it means root 5i whole square. ठीक, now in denominator subtract root 3 plus root 2 time iota minus root 3 plus root 2 time iota. So root 3 get cancel out, and in numerator we get 3 square, that is 9 minus root 5 iota square. So root 5 का square होगा 5 time iota square divide by, now what we get in denominator, root 2i plus root 2i, this is 2 root 2 time I, है ना, ऐड हो जाएंगे दोनों. So as we know the value of iota square is minus 1, so 9 minus 5 time minus 1 upon 2 root 2 time iota. Okay, so 9 plus 5 upon 2 root 2 time iota. So this will 9 plus 5 कितना हो जाएगा भाई, 9 plus 5 14 upon 2 root 2 iota, 2 7 time cancel out, so 7 upon root 2 time iota, 7 upon root 2 time iota. Again, as I told you earlier, if you have any complex number or imaginary number within the denominator, then we have to rationalize it. So what we will do, 7 upon root 2 time iota, now multiply by root 2 I. ठीक है, in numerator and denominator. So what we will get 7 root 2 I, 7 root 2 iota upon root 2 that is 2 I into I, that is I square. So this will be 7 root 2 time iota upon, what is the value of I square? Minus 1. So this will become minus of 2. So your format will be 0 plus 7 root 2 upon 2 टाइम माइनस आयोटा. ठीक है, ये आपका फॉर्मेट बन गया ए प्लस आई बी का. क्या फॉर्मेट बना भाई? सिंस द रियल पार्ट इज जीरो हियर, रियल पार्ट है ही नहीं यहाँ पे, एंड इमेजनरी पार्ट, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ इमेजनरी पार्ट इज माइनस 7 रूट 2 अपॉन 2. ठीक, सो दिस कैन बी रिटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए आई बी एज 0 प्लस माइनस 7 रूट 2 अपॉन 2 टाइम आयोटा. ठीक है, तो ये इसका फॉर्मेट बन जाएगा. ठीक है, पॉज द वीडियो एंड टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट. So dear students, now the exercise 5.1 has been completed. In my next video lecture as well as in next Google Meet, we will discuss the next topic, ठीक है, which is the polar form representation of any complex number. How we will represent any complex number in the form of polar format, है ना. And we also discuss about the graphical representation of any complex number. Okay, so till then you have to complete this exercise as well as the examples also. Please don't ignore the examples and meet you soon in next Google Meet. Till then, bye bye, take care and stay safe, and also finish the work, exercise 5.1 in your fair notebook also. Okay, bye bye.